bespoke double wishbone suspension, anti-roll bar on the back, equal length drive shafts, and then we mass optimize the car, so the mass centralization, so it's 51% weight at the rear, 49% at the front, which means it handles, steers, stops like a Lotus Elise effectively, but much faster. Being rear wheel drive means you can use all the power a lot of the time. We haven't tested it, but predictions are for 3.5 second 0 to 60, 8.5 seconds to 100 mile an hour. It'll do 135 mile an hour top speed, but conversely, a district nurse could still drive this to the shops. It's that soft and easy to use. It's very bespoke, so we went for a slight Aston Zagato type of theme. The colours from a 1960s Zagato Aston Martin. The styling is very Aston. It's got sort of D-type Jaguar-inspired wheels on it. All of the exterior panels are aluminium hand-formed. And we just wanted to push the boundaries of what you could do with a classic Mini while still keeping it very much classic Mini. It's a 400 volt system to drive the Tesla system, and it'll probably do between 120 and 140 miles range. On the interior, again, with a lot of the late Minis, they feel slightly claustrophobic in that everything's inside the car. So we wanted to make this one have the technology but still have the interior like a Mark-1 Mini. So everything is very relaxed inside. It's very spacious, and with the performance it got, the last thing you want to have is feel claustrophobic while it's going fast. So it's got 9.25-inch discs on the front, 6-pot calipers, 9-inch discs on the rear. So it's built to stop as well as it's going to go. And again, another one of the ethos is I made it really difficult by trying to tick all the boxes. It had to do with the original Mini did in the 60s, and that you could drive it to the shops, anyone could drive it. You could race it in the 60s and give the sports cars a hassle. My only dilemma is the sports cars got a lot faster, hence why it's 300 horsepower electric motor.
Yeah, I'll tell you what.
I'm going to say, we knew this car was coming.
Yeah.
And we do apologise to you, John, but this is a compliment and it's hiding. Because we walked around, and I went, hold on a minute, I haven't noticed that. And then I went, that's that electric Mini. What you've done is created something in the typical term of being a sleeper, yeah?
Exactly,
yeah,
that's right.
And then you reel off what you've done, what's hidden underneath.
Yeah.
Aluminium panels on it, yeah? I didn't know. And I probably walked around the show 3 or 4 times and then went, hold up a minute.
Yeah.
We've got to get this on, we've got to put this out there. Dave, get it out.
No, we were going to do that, so I spoke to John's wife the other week, and we said that, you know, we went to show, and it's all going on, and
But
sometimes...
the rain was happening this morning, so we didn't get out to
That's it,
lunchtime.
but you know what, John? It's all the little bits of attention to detail. The way you've cut the angle, the electron rack and stuff. It's all the little things. The interior is just, well, it's unbelievable.
Yeah. I'm glad he hasn't entered in concourse.
You know, what a company you own, mate.
Thank you. Cheers.
What a company you own for the design of this is just amazing. You know when people say, oh, you shouldn't put electric motor in a classic Mini. Looking at this, why the hell not? What do you think, folks? Why the hell not? Because
So what's the plan then, John? Is this a one-off or
Try and take orders on it.
going to try to take orders?
Yeah, we've never had this sort of the rich clientele come to us and go, I want to do something like this. We've always had to develop these things ourselves. So the plan is to do these as full vehicles.
and I would imagine the cost of development is unbelievable.
Pretty hefty, yeah.
Yeah, unbelievable.
Yeah. No, we lived on toast and beans for a while.
Yeah. Well, let's hope it's happy days in the future and the orders come flowing in, because obviously you've got David Brown doing his remastered things, which are fetching what, 90,000 plus or whatever they are. So I don't know what the price of this is going to be, but I would imagine it's going to be up in the top end, you know, because it's a bespoke motor.
Yeah, it is. It's the hours of good winter that makes it. We're bringing another car out, which is going to be. We're bringing another car out, which will be a sister to this, which will be a petrol-powered cafe racer, which will really show what you can do with a cafe racer car. But this electric one is, we built it as the ultimate, and we're yet to see it not be.
I look forward to seeing